Ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list? Struggling to keep track of projects and tasks? You're not alone. And today, we're diving deep into the battle of the project management titans. Asana versus Trello. Which one is the better fit for your workflow? Importance of project management. Project management isn't just about crossing off tasks. It's about staying organized, efficient, and ensuring projects are delivered on time and within budget. A good project management tool can be a game changer, but with so many options out there, it can be tough to decide which one is right for you. Brief overview of Asana and Trello. Asana and Trello are two popular project management tools that have gained significant traction in recent years. Both offer a range of features, but they cater to different workflows and preferences. Let's break down what each tool has to offer and help you determine which one is the better choice for your needs. Asana, a deep dive. Key features: task management with subtasks and due dates, project boards and timelines, custom fields and automation rules, integrations with other tools, e.g., Google Calendar, Slack. Strengths: great for larger teams and complex projects. Offers advanced features like custom fields and automation. Strong focus on task prioritization and workload management. Weaknesses: can be overwhelming for beginners. Steep learning curve for some features. Trello, a closer look. Key features: Kanban-style boards with cards, labels, checklists, and due dates, attachments and comments, integrations with other tools, e.g., Google Drive, Dropbox. Strengths: simple and intuitive interface, easy to learn and use, great for visual learners and teams that prefer a Kanban workflow. Weaknesses: limited advanced features compared to Asana. May not be suitable for large, complex projects. Comparing Asana and Trello. Task management. Both Asana and Trello offer robust task management capabilities. However, Asana provides more advanced features like custom fields and automation, making it a better choice for complex projects. Trello, on the other hand, is simpler and more intuitive, making it ideal for smaller teams and projects. Collaboration. Both tools offer features for collaboration, such as comments, attachments, and integrations with other tools. However, Asana's more advanced features, like custom fields and automation, can make it easier to manage larger projects and collaborate effectively. Ease of use. Trello is generally considered easier to learn and use due to its simple interface. Asana, while more powerful, can have a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. Pricing. Both Asana and Trello offer free plans with limitations. If you need advanced features or want to remove limitations, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The pricing for both tools is comparable, but the best value for you will depend on your specific needs. Choosing the right tool. Consider your workflow. The best tool for you will depend on your workflow and preferences. If you need advanced features like custom fields and automation, Asana is a good choice. If you prefer a simpler, more intuitive interface and a Kanban-style workflow, Trello is a better option. Team size and project complexity. If you have a large team or work on complex projects, Asana's advanced features may be necessary. For smaller teams and simpler projects, Trello is a good option. Budget. Both Asana and Trello offer free plans with limitations. If you need advanced features or want to remove limitations, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Consider your budget and determine which tool offers the best value for your money. Recap key points. In conclusion, both Asana and Trello are excellent project management tools, but they cater to different workflows and preferences. Asana is better suited for larger teams and complex projects, while Trello is simpler and more intuitive, making it ideal for smaller teams and projects. Call to action. So, which one is right for you? The best way to decide is to try both tools and see which one works best for your team and workflow. You can sign up for free trials of both Asana and Trello to test them out. Final thought. Remember, the goal of a project management tool is to help you stay organized, efficient, and productive. By choosing the right tool, you can streamline your workflow and achieve your project goals. With that said, Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time.